Namaskar, I am Shashwata Baliga. Welcome to my channel. In the series of numerology, today I am going to discuss about number 7. And number 7 is governed by Ketu according to Indian numerology system. According to Western numerology system, number 7 is governed by Neptune. So those born on the 7th date or 16th date or 25th date of any month, they are under 7. That means they are under the influence of Ketu or Neptune, which both are very mysterious in their nature. Because you don't disclose your future plan, you never share your inner feelings to others, you are misunderstood by others. You are a mysterious person. You are very original. I mean, you have very original thoughts. You don't like to copy others. You have many original thoughts, many original ideas. That's why you never agree with other people's opinion. You like logic. You are very logical. That's why you agree with people if they speak logically. Otherwise, you don't agree with them. And because of that, they are unable to understand your inner thoughts or inner feelings. You are very independent by nature. You always like to do your work by yourself. You are very restless by nature. That's why you always welcome changes in your life. You like to travel a lot. So if you get chance, then you like to go to far off place. About religion, you have very peculiar ideas about religion, so you don't like to follow the tradition. You are very spiritual also. You have your own philosophical thoughts, so you attain supreme consciousness. You hate restrictions. That's why you always try to break the bondages. Because you have a philosophical mindset also, that's why many times you are very absent-minded. You think logically. Your all thoughts are logical. So if a person talk logically, then you will agree with him or her. If he or she speak illogical, then you never agree with them. On the basis of logic, you work and you plan your life. That's why you achieve aim of your life. Because you are stubborn, you never agree with the opinion of other people. When you desire something, you desire the best, or you don't desire at all. Basically, you are very sensitive, but you never express your feelings to others. You behave indifferent in the situation. Regarding health, you should be very careful about your nervous system, your stomach, digestive system and your blood circulatory system. As a husband, number 7 people are very liberal and very understanding. So basically their married life is very smooth and very good. But as a wife, number 7 ladies are very moody. So their future behavior is unpredictable. If you want to make friendship with other people, number 7, number 8 and number 9 people as your friend. If you keep friendship with those number of people, then your friendship may last longer, maybe for lifelong. If you want to do any important work in your life, then you can choose Sunday, Monday, Wednesday and Thursday. You can do any important work or you can plan any important work on these days. As a fortunate color, if you want to develop confidence within you or if you want to gain confidence in you, then you can wear all shades of green and yellow color. You can use these colors in your home, in your day-to-day life. If you want to increase your personality, if you want to enhance your personality, then you can take the help of some lucky jewels for you. And those lucky jewels are topaz and emerald. So you can use topaz or emerald or both for the development of your personality. As a lucky stone, you can use moonstone. If you wear moonstone or if you use moonstone, then you can develop your intuition capacity. Important years for you are 16, 25, 34, 43, 52, 61, 70 and 79. If you want to plan any event in your life, then you can use these years because these years are very important for you. I told in this video that those born on the 7th, 16th and 25th date of any month, they are come under number 7. But those born on 16 and 25, they resemble something and they differ something in their personality, in their nature, because those born on 16th day of any month, they have the impact of number 1, number 6 and number 7. And those born on the 25th date of any month, they have the impact of number 2, number 5 and number 7. And those born on the 7th date of any month, they have absolutely the impact of Ketu. So there are some similarities in between them, those born on 7th, 16th and 25th, and some differences also. So I will discuss in my coming videos about the date of birth, their nature, their characteristics and their important years, lucky numbers, lucky jewels, lucky colors and all this. Till then, नमस्कार.
आपको अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिए और शेयर करिए और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। धन्यवाद।